Balaklava Submarine Base, Crimea, Ukraine. Tucked away on the rugged shores of Crimea, hidden deep inside a mountain, lies one of the most impressive and secretive military installations of the Cold War, the Balaklava Submarine Base. Built in the 1950s by the Soviet Union, this base was designed with one primary goal: to protect Soviet nuclear submarines from attack. Its unique feature? The entire facility is housed inside a mountain, with a network of tunnels, and an underwater channel that allowed submarines to enter and leave undetected by satellites or radar. The base was nearly impenetrable, constructed to withstand even the worst-case scenario, a direct nuclear strike. When the Soviet Union dissolved in 1991, the base was abandoned and its valuable equipment was looted. The mountain, which once echoed with the sounds of military operations, now sits eerily silent. Today, the Balaklava Submarine Base has been turned into a naval museum, where visitors can explore its dark corridors and marvel at the remnants of Cold War technology. But the question lingers: what other secrets could still be hidden here, buried in the walls and tunnels? The base is a time capsule, preserving the spirit of an era defined by fear and secrecy. Could there be more to this place than meets the eye? With every step inside, you can almost hear the whispers of a forgotten world, where history and mystery intertwine in the shadows.